Our revolutionary fastening systems for engine supports allow mechanics to work comfortably on cars while they're on the lift, thus avoiding working on the floor. The engine support crossbar can be easily mounted on the engine frame using a hook or bands. This way, all supports can be removed smoothly and safely. When the cradle needs to be completely removed, the fastening system with chain must be mounted using the cradle screws before mounting the crossbar. In more complex cases, like with light commercial vehicles, the double chain kit with 2 brackets is the ideal solution. In cases where the removal of the entire drive unit and the disassembly of the cradle is necessary, the triple or quadruple chain kit, which includes 4 legs and wheels, can be used. And when removing the gearbox or working on bulky parts such as engine crossmembers, silencers and differentials, the universal orbital system can be used. Request more information.